Welcome to the Shashti Kingdom. Today we answer the question that is on everybody's mind. The question that has been asked no less than 3 times already. Does expensive Shashtik really make a difference? Or is big bits on a stick the way to go? Yes, Boris! This is slice of pig neck from back of discount section in local store. But this, this is meat of lamb, a good-looking lamb called Oksana, fed completely on hand-picked homemade turnips. Now, if your father has not worked as butcher in his lifetime, I suggest you look away now. This is inferior product, this is not knife, this is spawn. You see, this is how they get you. Sell you bone instead of meat. Capitalism. And this you can use for soup later on. And now, говно, блин. And now, it is time for the pork. Now I am sure you are curious. What is the price difference of these meats? And of course I would be curious as well. It is about 4 times. But since people complain, hey Boris, why you show dollars and euros all the time? Are you So to balance this situation, here is 30 currencies. Pick your own. First, we season the pork. For this we need... Boom, a glass. And some vinegar. Mixed with water, of course, you don't want acid explosion in your mouth. Very good, yes, very nice. And if you have money left, you can add discount onion as well. It gives good taste and the feeling of slab in your mouth. I like to use big knife for heavy lifting and then small for precise maneuver. Mash, why did you leave me? Это healthy dose of onion. And do not get sick, yes, even in the summer. Это healthy dose. Блин, I need a shashik. And the garlic inside is good for you. Some salt on top, some more, and the pepper for taste. You do not have to eat. Do not use it if it costs too much, давай. Mix it up with about the same amount of care that you put into driving, which might be different from person to person, so this might end up shit. You add some bread and put in cold box for 1 hour, 1 day. Now you take the gourmet meat, which you are already probably regretting buying. But no problem, we think of something. Introduce. No, not the onion. Instead you add aromatic dried grass from the eastern highlands, some powdered flames, some of the most brownish green substance you can find. Some of this stuff people use on pizza for some reason. This is just disgusting. Add a bit more. And it is not gourmet shashtik without the семечки. And now, you think we're done? No! Kefir! At this point I assume your mama has found you in your kitchen and is considering you have gone completely insane. But you instead go ahead and say, sorry mama, it's only Boris. And she will understand. Now that it is done, and for the white stuff, just keep the meat from burning with this thick content. Some meat not turn black on high heat on shashtik grill. And it is no Boris video without some caviar. Oh yes, multiply price of recipe by 4 again. Now add splash of pepper from your neighbor's borrowed meal. Чего, бля? Бежать из самих тех! Much better. This plastic red destroy nature. This is why you use it indoors. Hey mama, look, it's me, Boris. I'm famous. I'm still using phone to record video. Okay, flame looking good. You can hear birds screaming at each other in distance. A nice summer day. And now you chop the carrots to the bot. Oh wait, this is onion. You'll not need fancy condiment to good shashtik. This is no bistro. What you need is some mayonnaise. We begin the steaming of the meat. Vegans look away now. Yes, the meat is supposed to be grey. This means the vinegar solution works. And now the caviar dipped luxury lamb. No onion this time just because it can ruin taste of семечки. And for Vadim... So once you have burned a lot of your sticks, you're ready to share your opinion on how it tastes. The pork cheaper than Soup Kitchen is looking nice. Tastes like summer, even better with healthy dose of mayonnaise. Yes, 10 out of 10, no question. And now it is time for... look at that. Caviar dipped, juicy lamb right off the stick. Well, this is... Бабушка, where are your cat? I have created a monster. Now this is Shash. This is liberal socialism. So, as they say, when in doubt, make big bits on a stick. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. This video took 2 weeks to make because I literally got pneumonia halfway through. And I'm still coughing like old man. Блять, из Москвы!